This is a very beautiful day today. More relaxed, and this is exactly what we're looking for after a very long, hard year. This event, we normally have it to close the year. We call it food, fashion, and music. We make these three things to mix, get together, because in any event, they relate so very well. When we have beautiful clothes, we want to get out, enjoy the music, and have beautiful food. So what we did was to bring all of them here to show the power that these three things can have to revitalize the inner city and also grow our local economy. This industry is mainly for young people who have the talents. They are very creative. So one, therefore, to provide them with this platform so that they will then use it to create employment for themselves and also for others. So since this morning, we have been exposed to more than 5 designers, local designers. They showcase their clothes, very beautiful clothes of international standards. And then secondly, we brought in cooks here, like for instance, J.I. something, who comes from Mikaso, we have Sbatle, Zogoloko, we have Hazel, people who have the skills in cooking the store. And the food that they've cooked gets tasted by people who have come to this event.
Well, I think Durban does it all, man. I think when it comes to KZN, you guys just know how to do it, man. So I wasn't surprised when something like this was here. I think it's important because look how many jobs you created, look how many people you make happy. So that's always important. But I also think it's important because you're promoting an industry that I'm very passionate about, which is music and food. So very proud.
Yeah, man, how I got involved on this event, because I have my own cooking channel now on YouTube called I Cook with Mzokoloko. La ngipheka khona nje ukudla easy to prepare at home, ukudla okubiza ngaphansi ka-100 ukuthi okay ngo-100 rand what you can make. Even ufish ebengwenza namhlanje la usuhlangene wonke ngamunye it's less than 100 rand. Sifake nama-ingredients nayo yonke into nokubeka emlilweni. So abantu abaningi I noticed ukuthi about time to fish kodwa sihlala on the coastline. It's not because about time, it's because they don't know how to prepare it. So we're going to be posting more of that on my channel, I Cook with Mzokoloko.
Okay, it's this kind of events, especially the ones Wood Parks Recreation is doing, it's very good. I love it. It's my second time being involved at the Municipality. And what I like about it, it's uniting people. It's a nice place to come and network, to learn. I've met so many great people here, and it's been, really great. And for other people as well, in summer, within Hambe, going to a club, partying, just nice to be outdoors. We've got a very beautiful city. The scenery is great, and this is exactly what we need. It's in the perfect venue as well, just by the coastline.
It's such a great concept. I mean, having to bring together fashion, and then later on celebrated no music. And it's been a pleasure coming in, performing for all of these guys. I take every gig seriously, and I said to this one, this is the only gig I'm gonna take tonight. I'm not doing anything else but besides this gig, because it plays an important part of the culture. Since ihlanganisa wonke umuntu waseDurban, nothanda fashion, nothanda ukudla, nothanda umculo.
Last year we had an amazing setup, but the weather was horrible. So the weather, first of all, so thank God for that. And everything got like the spotlight it needed. The food was, our upcoming chefs were cooking. Yonkinto got the attention it needed. The pop-up stalls, people interacting. And then there's still going to be amazing performers on the stage. So everything came together very well. And there's a view as well, so it's great. Everything has come together like it's supposed to.
There's a city who are saying we want to have this creative industry so that you can begin to build facilities here in town and elsewhere, so that these three things, food, music and fashion, can thrive in the city.